I've been a parent for 3 years now. Originally, I lived a block away. A neighbor of mine used to bring their children here, and that's how I became familiar. I saw the pictures online and invested in to search the curriculum that was based here, and I saw that it was very hands-on and the children can implement those things every day. So that's why I chose to bring my children here for the curriculum.
So our pre-Kers are involved in a full day. And what I mean by that is they are involved in reading, math, science, social studies, writing, and we also have center time. And so for reading and math, we have whole group and small group instruction. And then we have science and social studies, where students receive about 20 minutes of instruction. For our center time, students are involved in Pretend and Learn. They're involved in Art Center, where they get to use the easel. They have Construction Zone. They have a Writing Center, and then they have a Math and Reading Center.
I love the general, when you walk in the door, it's a loving, kind, friendly environment. The children are greeted with smiles. They give eye contact. It's a lot of love going around from the staff, administrators, even to past teachers and kids that have been here. It's a lot of love. The love of the teachers. They know them by name, by face. They know who parents are. They're very engaged with the children.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Linda.
Can you say good morning to Miss Sinclair?
Good morning, Miss Sinclair.
So let's get it ready. Today is Friday, January. So, spring, you know that's the number 18. 1 and an 8. 18 has two numbers. 1 is a straight line down. What about a number 8? Number 8 looks like a snowman. A circle at the top, circle at the bottom.
But the snowman has
Yeah, right. But our number 8. Okay, right? Make sense? The environment that we have set in our classroom is a safe learning environment where teachers and students are learning from each other, and from that we're able to build partnerships with each other, and it helps to expand on student learning as well. So Screaming the Theme in my classroom involves, my classroom is reflecting what is being learned. So for example, this unit we're learning about community. If you walk in my room, you will notice right away that the theme is community. For example, Pretend and Learn is a doctor's office where the children have a chance to learn and play and know what it is to be in a doctor's office. In the library, we're reading all about community helpers. We're writing about community helpers. If they're at blocks, they're building a community. So that's how we screen the theme.
So we try to promote about 8 field trips a year. The field trips are aligned to the themes that the students are studying. And the teachers have full ownership to plan their field trips. And we try to take local field trips that are free or low cost for families. For example, right now we're studying communities, and so our pre-Kers are going on a community field trip where they're going to visit their local library, a local grocery store, and a local restaurant.
Awesome. I cannot wait. From 2 buildings to 1 to consolidate everyone will be an awesome thing. The kids will really love it.
I'm looking for us to maintain that Tier 1 status. And as a school leader in a community of schools, I'm hopeful that other schools around us, especially the public charter school sector, are able to reach Tier 1 status as well, because that opens opportunities and options for children as they leave here and go to other schools, because we go to third grade, of course. We'd like for them to have good options for schools that service kids from 4 and beyond.
ECA, Love, Learn, Lead.
ECA, Love, Learn, Lead.
ECA, Love, Learn, Lead.